Hi everyone, my name is Kushi Sharma and I'm a social media marketer. In this video, we are going to discuss about GrowBiz network. What is GrowBiz network and how you can work with GrowBiz. So basically how you can double triple your money in a single day. I'm not gonna tell that, but I will tell you about a genuine platform so that you can actually make a good source of income online. So basically what is GrowBiz? GrowBiz is a platform where you can learn digital skills such as freelancing, Amazon business model, video editing, and a lot of multiple skills. And also you can generate a lot of income from that by getting yourself a project, or you can open your own agency, or you can also work as a freelancer. And at the end I will tell you how you can actually directly work with GrowBiz. Okay, so let's start. So basically you all know that in online business there is one word which comes first in our mind is freelancing. So what is freelancing? There are multiple skills in freelancing. So let me give you an example of video editing. Video editing industry is a $2 trillion industry. It is a recent data. Okay, so there are multiple freelancing skills which you can learn, and after that you can actually make a good amount of money from that. So before telling that how you can actually make money from GrowBiz, I would like to tell that GrowBiz is registered in UAE and the legal documents are right in front of you. GrowBiz is a edtech platform which provides you multiple freelancing bundles and also digital skills bundles such as Facebook ads, Amazon business models, and many more bundles. Years back we used to do all the transaction in cash, but now we are doing transaction in absolutely cashless mode such as UPI, online payments, because technology made it all. After COVID-19, many jobs got shifted online, many offline businesses got shifted online. Then why can't you work online? You can also work on social media if you are a housewife, if you are a student, if you are a fresher, or even if you are doing a job, you can still work with GrowBiz network. Let me tell you how. The first income source, as I have already told you, that you can learn from the freelancing bundles which GrowBiz actually provides you, and which is the main thing. There are total 5 bundles. The first bundle is the Plus bundle, in which you get total 7 courses, and the second bundle is the Pro bundle, in which you get almost 8 courses, and after that the Prime bundle, in which you get Plus and Pro absolutely free, and it provides you almost 7 courses. And after that let's move to our Premium bundle, which provides you almost 4 courses, and there are many more upcoming courses and I will tell you about that also. And yes, recently we have launched our package of Platinum bundle, where you will get 3 high-paying freelancing courses, and there are many upcoming courses. All these bundles which you have seen on the screen, you can just pause the video and just look how many courses GrowBiz actually provide and how many skills you can actually learn here. So let me tell you about the upcoming courses which will be coming in the Platinum and the Premium bundle. The first course is YouTube domination, another one is Facebook and Instagram ads, chatbot marketing, email marketing and automation, and WhatsApp marketing and automation. So these are the upcoming courses. So let's move to our second income source, in which you can actually directly work with GrowBiz. Our first income source was to work as a freelancer after learning the courses from GrowBiz, or you can also open your own agency, or you can start your own work. Okay, now how you can actually directly work with GrowBiz. GrowBiz gives you an opportunity to work with them and market their courses, in which you will get up to 70% commission. Yes, and I'm not lying, because GrowBiz is getting 30% commission and they are giving you up to 70% commission. Why? Because there is a difference in digital products and physical products. Let me give you an example of a bottle or a mobile phone. If you are buying a mobile phone and you are reselling that mobile phone, how much commission do you expect you will get? Maximum to maximum 5%, 10%, or 20%. That is the amount of commission you get on physical product. But in digital products you get commission up to 50%, 60%, and 70%, which GrowBiz is also giving you. And yes, why is it so? So let me give you an example of an ebook or a digital service. If you have designed any kind of freelancing course, if you are having any kind of digital skills, you can actually make a course on that, and if you're selling that course, then you can sell it to multiple people without manufacturing it again and again. Okay, so that is why you get up to 50%, 60%, and 70%, which GrowBiz also provides you. And let's move to the commission structure. Our first bundle, which is the Plus bundle, which is of $9, you will get commission of $5 if you market this course, And after that, let's move to our pro bundle, which is of $23, and you will get a commission of $16 direct, and Grovis also provides some bonus in this, which is almost $3. Let's move to our next bundle, which is the prime bundle, which is of $53, and the commission is $40, and the bonus amount which company gives you is $5. Let's move to the premium bundle, which is of $122, and the commission you get here is $94 as a direct commission, and the bonus you get here is $12. And our recent package, which is a newly launched package, which is our platinum bundle, which is of $200, and the direct commission is $120. Yes, so this is the best bundle to start with, because if you start with the platinum bundle, you get pro plus prime premium absolutely free in that. Now the first question you have in your mind as a fresher is that I have 0 followers, I have 0 marketing knowledge, then how I will get these commission, how I will promote it, how I will market it. So let me tell you, we have 7 to 10 days basic to advanced trainings in which you will be taught about everything related to affiliate marketing. Zero, from absolutely scratch, you will learn how you can actually market on social media, how you can actually become an affiliate marketer with GrowBiz. So there is no need to think about that I'm a fresher or how I will be able to do it. You have your mentor. Even if your mentor doesn't support you, we have a system in our company which provides you training, which gives you live trainings as well. So let me tell you another best thing about the GrowBiz platform. If you start with the platinum bundle, you get live freelancing trainings. Yes, this is the benefit you get after starting from platinum. Okay, so I would suggest you to start with platinum. And recently we have done so many events. We have done international trips. Our first international trip was of Thailand. You can see the pictures here. And recently we went to Malaysia, and yes, our upcoming international trip is also in our way. So yes, action takers are always money makers, so just start. If you still have doubts, you can contact the person who have sent you the presentation so that you'll be able to clear your doubts. So thank you so much, everyone.